Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we are going to unbox our ARB bumper. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And thanks very much for watching. Guess what? We're not going with the next thing. I bumped something up a few places. What? Because it was on sale.
It's a tube. It's the snorkel.
It is not.
No, we are not doing a snorkel.
We're going to get a front bumper.
The front bumper is on the way.
Just like the Alaskan one.
You mean Australian? Yeah, it's pretty much like that one. That's the front bumper.
It's a black one though. Brennan's all excited.
Does it have a winch on it?
It has a spot for it, but you gotta buy that separately. Are you excited about it, Kens?
Yeah.
Bernie's extremely excited. I've had a number of things delivered by freight and UPS that have been damaged. Make sure you inspect everything and note that on the bill of lading before you let the delivery guy leave. I think what I'm gonna do is just peel this box open and take a look because my curiosity is getting the best of me. So it looks like we got a box of hardware here. The only other thing in here, let's see, the bumper. Brennan is not feeling so good, but let's come check it out. What do you think? Is that enough for today? Do you know what that is?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a front bumper.
Are you excited about it?
No.
You're being a dork. Definitely a bag of bolts and stuff. Look at that. Turn signal. Fog and indicator lights. Now this got smashed. So hopefully those guys are okay. And they look okay from here. But this has a blank in here that you can cut out and put the fog lights in here that ARB sells. Slee also sells one that has the little 2x2 LED light, so I think I'm probably going to end up doing that, or maybe even doing something on my own. Alright, these look like some rubber that's going to go over probably the edge of the bull bar. And then it's like two big steel mounts. This is a sort of splash pan rock guard that goes from between the bumper back to the rock guard that's covering up the front dip. Fitting instructions. Bag of bolts. Also got a few wires in here too. Pretty decently heavy wiring. Ta-da! Alright, so next time you're gonna see us installing that bad boy on the front of the cruiser. Hey guys, thanks a lot for checking us out. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel, and please let us know if you have any questions.